Alright kiddos, it's Dee from DOUBLEBEE Crafty Creations, and I have been fighting with this thing today. Haven't used it yet. My wonderful husband secured it to this board. I don't know that this is going to be the final resting place for it, but anyway, I have heard that this stitch counter goes out like in your first round. So I got a knitting machine counter off of Amazon, and I'm going to install this now. Oh, and the washing machine is going, so everything's going to bounce because we are full-time RVers. Here we go. Okay. We'll read the instructions. All right. Well, look at that. It's only in English. Step 1. Rip off the tape and snap the chip between the two needle openings. Which needle openings? Well, I don't see which one, so this one's kind of close to the winder, so we'll go with that. Gently tear off the red film at the back of the pedometer and stick it on the knitting machine. Whoops! But that's rip off the tape and snap the chip between the two needle openings. Tape and snap the chip between the two needle openings. I'm going to guess right here. Just go with it. I don't know what this does, but I just took it off. Gently tear off the red film at the back of the pedometer and stick it on the knitting machine. Note, the distance between the pedometer and the chip should be kept between 1 millimeter to avoid not being able to sense the count. But I'm assuming that this battery needs to go into this pedometer. Oh, sorry. Screwdriver, pedometer. Yeah, that would be a great assumption. Unless it's in there and I didn't read it. Nope. Oh. Well, there's a battery replacement procedure, but that's not in the instructions. So I don't know if there's another battery in here already, and this is just an extra, but we're going to take the back off and see. Maybe. Washing machine's running. Sorry for the vibration. Shit. Babe. Yeah. I can't tell if this is coming off or not. I mean, geez. I just want to know if there's a battery in here.
Is this the screwdriver that came with it?
Yeah. I guess I can turn it on.
Yeah.
See if it works. Nope. So there's no battery in there.
Yeah.
Alright, so my honey found
that a Cobalt, Phillips said, works better.
Not the one that came with it.
Yeah, not the one that comes with it. So let's see. We'll put a link to this one in the description. There's that. Should open now, babe. Yep. Voila. Oh, it had a battery.
It does have a battery.
I wonder why it's not working. But it's a 2032. You didn't know. There you go. Or do you want me to put this screw back?
Please.
Okay.
You're better at that than I am.
This thing is tiny, folks. So, and don't do that. There it is. I see it. Oh my foot. Oh my gosh. All right. Go about your video and I'll get this fixed.
Now we lost it.
No, I got it.
I guess I didn't look at how to turn it on. Oh, it goes P-long press button for 5 seconds. The screen will show 0 to start counting. P-long.
P-long.
P-long time. Me love you long time. No shit. Take me big PX. So, P-long.
P-long.
Wow.
P-long it.
Oh, here's the
oh, it's on now.
Replacement battery. Ah, sweet.
I just had to P-long it.
Just takes 2 folks to...
What P-long meant was just hold the button for like 15 seconds.
Oh, P-long. And it says put it at no more than 1 millimeter, which I don't know what 1 millimeter is from this, so I'm going to have my husband measure that, please. 1 millimeter from this. So 1 millimeter from the counter that's here, which is on the side over here.
So using his caliper. 1 millimeter. Okay. Where at?
So I need 1 millimeter from
this edge.
From that. Yeah, you see this silver counter there?
Does it got the sticky ready?
No, I don't have it undone yet. I just wanted to see what the 1 millimeter was.
This way, babe?
Yes.
1 millimeter is right there.
Okay.
It's like
just a frog hair.
Yeah. Here you go.
Right, so I'm gonna put this off, maybe. There we go.
Which way is it face?
This one.
Yeah, right there.
All right. Need a sticker on there. It does come with extra stickers, so when you have to take it off and replace the battery. Again, I have not used this machine yet, so I hope this crap is awesome. So then after you install it, you just P-long press the button for 5 seconds. The screen will show 0 to start. 3. Well, that shows 1. Interesting. Press button for 5 seconds. The screen will show 0 start counting. Short press the button 2 times and the data will be cleared to the 0. Okay, so there we go. It already thought it had done a round, so if you just, that's off, that's on, but it thinks it's done a round. So if you do 1, 2, it'll reset to 0.
Alright everyone, I hope you found this video helpful on how to install a row counter for your knitting machine. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for further videos. Bye!